So now let's see how we can work around with multiple choice questions inside of a database form. So to do that, I'm simply going to go around right here, press slash, and then type in form to bring in a form right here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add, let's say, a multiple choice question. So to do that, let me just click on the add question button that pops up, and here you can see that multiple choice is an option. There's also a multiple choice, as you can see right here as well. So let's say, for example, I can go ahead and add in, let's say, options. So I can go ahead onto multiple choice, and let's say, for example, I can say select your interest right here. So with the multiple choice, what happens is that people can select multiple interests that they may have. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say cooking, and I'm going to say singing, and I'm going to say video games right here. And let's say I'm going to go for traveling, let's say, for example, and I'm going to go around and say dancing. So these are the interests that I have. If I were to preview, then you can see that they can go ahead and select multiple selections. So hence the name multiple choice. So this is what you have. You can also go around onto the settings, make it required, add in a description if you want to. And you can also set a max number of selection. Like, let's say, for example, you can set the max to 3. Let's say, for example, right here, and change the question type if you want as well. So that is what you have. So if I were to go to preview now, then I can go ahead and select, let's say, 3, and then everything disables, as you can see right here. Click on it, and then click on it again, and it disables, as you can see right there. So that is how you can utilize the database form multiple choice question option inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.